Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management tips for 2025. Today's video is all about how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Current, episode 553. If you're juggling multiple bank accounts, this is a game changer for seamless transfers. Let's dive right in. First off, why do this? Wells Fargo is a traditional bank, while Current is a modern banking app that offers perks like early paycheck access and fee-free ATM withdrawals. Transferring funds between them keeps your money moving efficiently. But before we start, make sure you have both accounts set up and verified. You'll need your Wells Fargo login details and the Current app installed on your phone. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo app on your device and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfer or Move Money section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for icons like arrows or a dollar sign. Step 2. Select External Transfer or Add Account. You'll need to link your current account. Enter your current account details, such as the routing and account numbers, which you can find in the Current app under Account Settings. Step 3. Verify the transfer. Wells Fargo might send a small test deposit to your current account, around 1 cent to 10 cents, to confirm it's legit. Check your Current app for this and verify it back in Wells Fargo. Step 4. Initiate the actual transfer. Choose the amount you want to send, select the accounts, and confirm the details. Remember, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days in 2025, depending on the bank's processing times, so plan ahead. A quick tip. Always double-check for any fees. Wells Fargo might charge for outgoing transfers, and Current could have limits for incoming ones. If you run into issues, like failed verifications, contact customer support for both banks. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from Wells Fargo to Current in 2025. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.